Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 15th of class 7. Chapter name is Visualizing Solid Shapes and I am going to give you an overview of the chapter. First of all, let me tell you this chapter do not contain a lot of content to learn but do have some basic, some elementary things which relate to our life on daily basis. So do not skip this concept. This chapter contains 2D figures, 3D figures, oblique sketch of 2D figures and 3D figures, and apart from that, understanding the concept of face, vertex, and edge of a solid figure. So let me start up with 2D figures. 2D figures means two-dimensional figures. To understand this, take up a piece of a land or assume it, and then you will see that that piece of land do have two dimensions. One is its length, another one is breadth. So it's a 2D shape. And to take understanding of a 3D figure, take an example of a room in which you live. So it's a 3D figure. That room do have length, breadth and height. So it's a 3D figure. Right now I do have 4 examples of each. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle is a 2D figure. Cube, cuboid, cone, pyramid is a 3D figure. Now oblique sketch. Oblique sketch is a rough sketch that resemble any shape, any figure. For example, if you draw any rough sketch and it resembles triangle or rectangle or cuboid, then it will be called a oblique sketch of a cuboid. Oblique sketch is usually drawn on isometric sheets. I'll send you a isometric sheet on WhatsApp group separately so that you can check it out. Otherwise, you can check it out in your NCERT book as well. Now going to make you understand face, vertex and edge. I have taken 3 different shapes to make you understand vertex, edge and face on each separately. And I have marked and made bold that concept so that you can see it very clearly. In first figure you can see I have bold the corners, the end points of that particular solid shape, that is cube. So these are called their vertex. In the second figure I have taken the sides, that is called edges, that is the sharp side. To understand edge you can take knife also. The side of the knife which help you in cutting different objects is edge of the knife. And when comes to talk about face can be understood by taking up the front side of the object. So if you are watching up a TV or LED, then the front side you can see is considered to be one face of that particular object. Even although the sides are also considered as different faces, it can be sides, it can be top, it can be face, it can be front face, it can be bottom. So these are all kinds of faces. And at the bottom of the screen, as you can see, I have marked all these 3 things in a single figure, that is vertex, face and edge. So this was an overview of the chapter. Please do not forget to like this page, like this video, like other videos available on our page. Thank you very much.